Welcome back to HK Vibe. Today's topic is organic chemistry, alkynes. Introduction: alkynes, alkenes, ethanol. Organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? It is the chemistry of carbon containing compounds. Carbon and its compound is called organic chemistry. Most of these compounds also contain hydrogen, oxygen, and other elements. Many organic compounds occur naturally and many other are made by man. All living things contain organic compounds. Organic chemistry, natural, man-made. Natural organic compounds are sugar, methane, proteins, fats. Man-made, ethene, ethine, polymers. Any organic compound occur naturally is called a natural organic compound. Any organic compound made by man by artificial methods is called man-made organic compounds. Crude oil is the mixture of organic compounds. It is the raw material used for manufacture of plastics, solvents, and thousands of organic chemicals. Alkynes, the simplest of all hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means a carbon compound containing carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbon. Alkynes, carbon contain outermost shell, its atomic number is 6, outermost shell contain 4 electrons. So its valence is 4. So it has 4 covalent bonds. Each carbon shared with 1 electron with a hydrogen atom. So 4 CH4. Only one carbon, so meth. Carbon contains single bond or single covalent bond, so ane, so methane. So carbon contains 4 CH bond. Alkanes are saturated because carbon contain or methane contain single CH bond. That's why it is called a saturated hydrocarbon. Carbon hydrogen contain single bond. That's why it is called a saturated hydrocarbon. Alkynes. First one, number of carbon is 1 meth. Number of carbon is 2 eth. Number of carbon is 3 prop. Number of carbon is 4 but. Number of carbon is 5 pent. Number of carbon is 6 x. Each compound contains carbon and hydrogen single bond. So ane, methane. Second one, carbon contains single bond. So ane, so ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. So starting is depend upon number of carbon, ending is depend upon what kind of bond present in the compound. So methane means one carbon, hydrogen and single bond, and so methane. Eth means 2 carbon, ene means carbon contain single bond. Prop means 3 carbon, so prop. Ane means it contains single bond. But means 4 carbon, it contains single bond, so butane. Pent means 5 carbon, so it contains a single bond, so butane. Pent means 5 carbon, so it contains single bond, so pentane. Hex means 6 carbon, it contains single bond, so ane. Alkanes homolog series. Homolog series, each member is having general formula CnH2n plus 2 and each member is divided by 2. So alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. If n equal to 1, C1, 2 into 1 plus 1. So CH4. First one, methane. Second, n equal to 2, it will come C2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6. C2H6. If n equal to 3, C3, H2 into 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So C3H8 propane. If n equal to 4, C4, H2 into 4 plus 2, so C4, etc. So it is called a butyl. If n equal to 5, C5, H2 into 5 plus 2, 12, H12. It is pentane. N equal to 6, 2 into 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So C6, H14, hexane. Alkynes. One carbon meth, carbon hydrogen contains single bond, so methane. Next, two carbon contains single bond, so ethane. Three carbon contains single bond, propane. Four carbon contains single bond, so butane. Then five carbon contains single bond, so alkynes and isomerism. Compound having isomerism when they have same molecular formula but different structural formula. That means number of carbon and hydrogen is same but structure is different. Alkynes. Structural formula for isomers of non-cyclic alkane up to C6. Hydrocarbon chains where all bonds between are single bonds. General formula CnH2n plus 2. Draw out and write the formula for all isomers that can be formed by CH4. CH2, C3H8, C4H10, CH5, H12, C6, H14. Naming. Who use the suffix to indicate that substance is alkyne. Richard Thornley determine the longest chain. Use prefix denote number of carbon. Suffix "-ane". Meth 1 carbon eth, 2 carbon prop, 4 carbon 3 carbon but, 4 carbon 5 pent, 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon X. For example, 1 carbon meth, so suffix "-ane", methane, 2 carbon ethane, 3 carbon propane, 4 carbon butane, 5 carbon pentane, 6 carbon hexane. Number of carbon in the chain consequently starting the end closes the substituent group attached to the main chain and mostly busy end. Name the number location of each substituent. Name of the substituent will be written before chain. So CH3 is called methyl. One hydrogen is loose from methane is methyl. C2H6 is ethine. One hydrogen loose, so C2H5 it is called ethyl. C3H1 is propyl. So and two more side chains. Use prefix di, tri, tetra. Di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4. If single is coming, mono. Use comma to separate numbers and hyphens to separate numbers or letters. Name the side chain in alphabetical order. First one, isomers of C5H12. First one, pentane. Second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 methyl butane. Third one, 2 dimethyl propane. Nomenclature. Name this compound. For a branded hydrocarbon, the longest continuous chain of carbon gives the root name for the hydrocarbon. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 carbon is coming. So it contains 9 carbon. So non-9. Second one, when alkane groups contain substituents, they are named as dropping ane and changes into ale. For example, methane changes into methyl. First one is like this. CH3 is called methyl. CH4 is called methane. One hydrogen is loose, methyl. one chlorine is coming, so we will say chloro. So position of substitution group are specified the number the longest chain of hydrocarbon atoms sequentially starting at the end closest to the branching. So name is giving us not 1 to 9, 9 to 1. So name is coming 2 chloro 3 6 dimethyl nonene. An example, C4H10, it is butane. So carbon-carbon single bond, your remaining all is attached by hydrogen atom. Next one, same number of carbon, C4H10. So second carbon contain one methyl group. Methyl means one hydrogen is loose from methyl. So that is methyl. So second carbon contain methyl. So 1, 2, 3. We can give number 1, 2, 3. So second carbon contain methyl. So naming starting with a 2 methyl. How many carbon remaining? 3. Prop carbon contain single bond. So propyne. Next, combustion of alkynes. Alkynes burn in the plentiful air to form carbon dioxide and water. Methane reacts with oxygen forming carbon dioxide and water. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 to H2O. This type of burning is called complete combustion. A combustion producing carbon dioxide and water is called complete combustion. Alkanes burn in limited air to form carbon monoxide and water. Methane reacts with oxygen producing carbon monoxide and water. 2CH4 plus 3O2 gives 2CO plus 4H2O. This is known as incomplete combustion. A combustion producing carbon monoxide and water is called incomplete combustion. Alkanes and substitution reaction. Alkanes or saturated hydrocarbons can react by substitution. For example, when a mixture of methane and bromine is exposed to ultraviolet, typically sunlight, a substitution reaction occurs. An organic product is bromomethane. CH4 methane, Br2 bromine. One hydrogen is replaced by bromine, so CH3Br plus remaining bromine and hydrogen joining hydrogen bromide. So bromoethane. Sorry, bromomethane, one carbon only. So here look, CH4, Br. So one H is replaced by Br, then H is replaced by Br is replaced by H. So CH3Br plus HBr. So bromomethane and hydrogen bromide. Alkenes, carbon-carbon double bond. That means two pair of covalent, one single pair to same time two pair of covalent bond. Two pair of electrons shared between two carbon atom and double bond. That is called alkenes. First member is minimum number of carbon is 2. Then number of carbon is 2. Carbon double bond. So ethene. Alkenes are known as unsaturated hydrocarbon because they contain double bond. A organic compound containing double bond or triple bond is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Alkenes form homolog series with a general formula CnH2n. For example, n equal to 2, C2, H2 into 2, 4. So C2H4. First member is ethene. So first one C2H4 ethene. Next propene C3H6. Number of carbon is 3. One carbon contain double bond, so propene. Third one butene. Carbon is number is 4, so carbon contain double bond, so ene butene. Pentene means number of carbon is 5, so carbon-carbon double bond, so pentene. Alkenes. Structural formula for isomers of straight chain alkenes up to C6. Alkenes have double bond between two or more carbon atoms. CnH2n is general formula. Draw out and write the structural formula of all isomers that can be formed by each. C2H4, ethene, CCH3 is propene, butene, pentene, hexene. Naming isomers IUPAC chain alkenes up to C6. Suffix is "-ene". Name is ending with the "-ene". When there are 4 or more carbon atom is there, chain location double bond is indicated by number. Being continuous, be counting carbon closest to the with carbon-carbon double bond. Numbering location of the double bond takes the preference location any the substitution. For example, 1-butene or but-1-ene. We are giving preference for double bond. Here 2-butene or but-2-ene. Naming practice. You can see here many carbons. So we have to consider double bond chain. Look, determine the longest carbon with the chain double bond. Giving number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Attach prefix. So name will come total carbon hex. First carbon contain double bond, so hexene. Second carbon contain ethyl. Then fourth carbon contain 2-methyl. So name will come attach name branch alphabetic order. So 2-ethyl, 4-methyl, 4-methyl, 1-hexene. We can write similar group is coming. We can write together. 2-ethyl, 4-dimethyl, hex 1-ene. Propene, butene, 2-butene or but-2-ene. 2,4-dimethyl, 2-pentene. 2,4-dimethyl, 2-pentene. 3,3-dimethyl, 1-pentene. 4,5-dimethyl, 2-hexene. Alkenes are generally more reactive than alkynes because it contains double bond. Ethenes burn with a smoky flame. This is because it contains relatively high percentage of carbon. C2H4 plus 3H2 gives 2CO2 plus 2H2O. Other alkenes do not burn with a smoky flame. It is a property of ethene. Alkenes and unsaturated undergo addition reaction because it contains double bond. An addition reaction is one in which two molecules combine to form a single molecule. For example, alkenes react with bromine to form 1,2-dibromomethane. C double bond C H4 Br. Then here double bond is breaking and that place bromine is adding. So CCH4 Br. So 1, 2. First carbon contain 1 bromine, second carbon contain second bromine. So 1,2-dibromomethane. Alkenes will decolorize bromine water as it reacts with it. Ethene plus bromine water. Ethene is a colorless solution. Bromine water is yellow-brown solution. It changes into colorless solution. Ethanol. Ethanol belongs to the group of organic compound known as alcohol. Alcohols contain hydroxy group. A organic group contain OH group is called alcohol group. Alcohol example we are taking first one, ethanol. General formula of alcohol is CnH2n H2n plus 1 OH. If n equal to 2, C2H5OH. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 OH. So it contains 2 carbon at carbon single bond N. It contains OH all. So ethanol. Manufacture of ethanol. First one, industrial preparation. Ethanol is made on large scale by hydration of ethene at 300 degrees Celsius and pressure of 65 atmosphere. A hydration reaction is a chemical reaction in which hydroxyl group and proton group are added to the compound. C2H4 plus H2O gives C2H5OH. Phosphoric acid is used as a catalyst. So, alkene is changes into alcohol by hydration in the presence of phosphoric acid as a catalyst, 300 degrees Celsius temperature and pressure 65 atmospheric pressure. Second one, ethanol is made by another way, preparation by fermentation. Sugars are the carbohydrates which can be broken down into the presence of yeast to form ethanol and dioxide. C6H12O6 become ethanol and carbon dioxide. This process is known as fermentation. Fermentation is used in wine and beer making. This reaction is carried out at a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. The reaction is anaerobic respiration as air must be excluded. If air does come to contact with the wine becomes fermented to the oxidation of ethanol to ethanoic acid. So vinegar means bad wine and it contains ethanoic acid. Bacteria in the air may also kill the yeast. Manufacture of ethanol. Yeast is eventually dies, alcohol content reaches 50% when sugar is used. Manufacture of ethanol. Industrial preparation is the preparation by fermentation is which method is suitable. It is dependent upon the availability of raw material. Depend upon the relative availability of raw materials. In countries where land is scarce, not easy to cultivate, then there is oil reservoirs. Hydration is the best method to produce alcohol by ethene. In the countries no crude oil reservoirs, ethanol is more likely to made by fermentation method is the method. In a particular climate, allow sugarcane to grow well and there is a plenty of land available. So depend upon the raw material, we can use hydration or fermentation. Depend upon the relative availability of the raw material. Next, uses of ethanol. Ethanol used as a solvent. Many organic compounds are insoluble in water but soluble in ethanol. Ethanol is used as a fuel in Brazil. Ethanol is produced by fermentation of cane sugar and it is added to petrol. It is used as a biofuel. Ethanol is used in production of wines, beers and spirits. Dehydration of ethanol. A dehydration reaction is defined as a chemical reaction that involves loss of water from the reacting molecules. Very simply, removal of water. Ethanol can be dehydrated by heating in the presence of catalyst aluminum oxide. This is the setup. Ethanol, Bunsen burner, aluminum oxide catalyst, then water, ethene gas is collected. Ethanol changes into ethene and water. This process is called dehydration. Thank you for watching my all videos.